How many tabs and windows can my PC survive? To test this, I first created a file that displays a text box. This was quite simple. I only had to write the following code in a text file: do message box, random text, and loop. By the way, don't do this with your friends. The next thing I had to do was to save this text as a VBAS file. After I created the file, I opened my AutoClicker to set it to the position to open the file. The window opening began, but the PC showed itself strong. I waited over 5 minutes, but nothing happened. I decided to open the task manager and look how much windows the PC survived. There were so many. Next task for the PC was to open many tabs in the browser. I also left the AutoClicker running for over 5 minutes. This time, I at least managed to get the PC to start bugging. My next idea was to open some PC apps, like Editor or Paint, to make it for my PC even more complicated. My PC was strong and didn't crash, but I had a problem. Eventually, I couldn't do anything anymore. I couldn't open any apps. I could only shut it down using the power button. Unfortunately, I couldn't manage to make the PC crash. Like for a part 2 and comment your ideas. Thank you for watching. Bye.